Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gingerbread house kits that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Candyland Holiday House Gingerbread House Kit. Do you remember being a kid and delving into the magical realm of Candyland, where you'd race down a road and encounter tasty surprises on your way to Peppermint Forest, Frontline's Ice Palace, and more? Well, if you're looking to pass along this childhood memory to your kids, then you'll love this Candyland Gingerbread House Kit. It comes with everything you need to assemble and decorate the house pieces: royal icing that keeps the house together, gingerbread cookies, candy, scene setters, and a tray. A few reviewers said that their gingerbread house arrived broken in the mail, which puts a risk on ordering this one. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Christmas Mini Village Gingerbread House Kit. This gingerbread house kit is the perfect gift for a group of kids looking for a creative and tasty activity to do together. This one is unique for being not just a single house, but an entire village. Plus, the box includes all of the building materials, from gingerbread panels and icing for assembly to a green fondant, different icing mixes with pastry bags, and candy for decorating. The 4 houses can be designed and decorated in a variety of ways, and the gingerbread house template that comes in the box will tell you how to do so. Some reviewers find this one hard to both put and stay together, but it could be a fun challenge if you and the kids are up for it. At number 3, we have the Godiva Chocolate Holiday House Kit. It may be hard for you not to snack on this gingerbread house while building it. The Godiva Chocolate Holiday House Kit includes the iconic chocolate candies from Belgium, which are placed in the box as heart-shaped, little dark pieces of chocolate. Yum! In addition, you'll receive pretty candy jewels, tiny cookies and candy bananas, festive cookie characters, icing, and a starter tray. Considering all of the unique decoration pieces and delicious candies you get with this kit, we believe that it's a decent bang for your buck. At number 2, we have the Easy Build Gingerbread Houses. If you're looking for the best gingerbread house kit for your dollar, then this one will be your best bet. It includes 2 full-size houses at the same price as a single gingerbread house kit. You will receive 6 gingerbread pieces, candy that can be used as side and roof pieces, Christmas sequins and beads, icing with piping bags, and trays to keep the counter clean while decorating. Many reviewers find this one very easy to assemble and enjoyable, while others say theirs arrived broken in the mail. And finally, at number 1, we have the OREO and Sour Patch Kids Holiday Cookie House Kit. If the taste of gingerbread isn't you or your kids' cup of tea, then you can't go wrong with these 2 classic candies, OREO and Sour Patch Kids. The box comes with 2 separate holiday houses that come with everything you need to assemble each house. For the OREO holiday house, you'll receive chocolate cookies, creme-flavored icing, OREO sandwich cookies, and pieces of candy to decorate your gingerbread house. For the Sour Patch Kids holiday house, you'll find icing, Sour Patch Kids cookies, and other tiny candies in the box. Although many reviewers don't love the taste of these holiday houses, they still enjoyed building them and bonding with their kids in the process. They also found these houses to be smaller than expected, so if you're looking for a gingerbread house that's greater in size, then this kit may not be the best choice for you. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.